When it comes to choosing fonts, Penpot gives you access to the Google Fonts catalogue from the Fonts menu by default. But you might want to use a font that's not in the Google catalogue. It could be a pro version of the Google font, a font designed for your brand, or a font you've licensed from another platform or independent font foundry. You can add any of these fonts from the Fonts section of the Penpot dashboard. Here you can upload your custom font files, and Penpot will identify different font styles in the same family if they share the same font name. Now I've added my custom font, I can go back to my design and use it. The font will be available to everyone in my team. No need to scroll the whole list, I can search for the font name. And now I've got text working in my custom font. Because the custom font has been uploaded for everyone on my team, any of my team who will open this file will be able to see and use this font too. Join us at penpot.app/courses.